2026, the world of automotive luxury and innovation reaches new heights with the unveiling of the Bugatti Volkswagen Motorhome, a masterpiece that fuses hypercar performance with opulent living. This is not just a motorhome, it is a statement of power, technology, and craftsmanship, engineered for those who demand the absolute best from both their travels and their lifestyle. The collaboration between Bugatti and Volkswagen has given birth to a vehicle that redefines mobile luxury, combining the legendary aesthetics and performance DNA of Bugatti with the functionality and heritage of Volkswagen's iconic camper lineage. The exterior design of the 2026 Bugatti Volkswagen Motorhome is nothing short of futuristic brilliance. Sculpted with aerodynamic precision, it features a multi-tiered structure, giving it the appearance of a moving luxury yacht. A fusion of Bugatti's signature curves and aggressive sports styling with a high-tech architecture results in a visually stunning road presence. The color palette revolves around deep pearlescent whites, satin blacks, and accents of real gold trim, ensuring that this vehicle commands attention wherever it travels. Massive alloy wheels, a low-slung front end reminiscent of Bugatti's hypercars, and intelligent LED matrix lighting complete the exterior's futuristic appeal. Step inside, and the motorhome reveals a world of luxury unlike anything seen before on wheels. The cabin is designed with expansive space in mind, offering 3 distinct levels of living space. The interior seamlessly blends advanced technology with handcrafted materials. Italian leather seating with contrast gold stitching, carbon fiber trims, ambient LED lighting, and smart glass windows surround you in an environment designed for comfort, elegance, and control. The main lounge area features panoramic views, reclining massage chairs, and a surround sound entertainment system integrated directly into the architecture. Every surface is finished with the finest materials: marble, brushed aluminum, alcantara, and polished wood accents. The kitchen is fully equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, including an induction cooktop, touchscreen-controlled refrigeration units, and an automated coffee and cocktail station. Custom cabinetry provides ample storage without sacrificing aesthetics. Adjacent to the kitchen is a sleek dining space designed to seat 4 comfortably, complete with retractable tabletops and mood-adjustable lighting. Every inch of the space is optimized for intelligent living, powered by an integrated AI assistant that handles everything from climate control to energy management and scheduling. One of the highlights of the motorhome is its elevated bedroom suite, a sanctuary designed with privacy and tranquility in mind. Accessed by a spiral staircase with illuminated glass railings, the upper-level suite includes a king-size memory foam bed, automated blackout blinds, and a hidden 8K screen that emerges from the ceiling at the press of a button. The room also features touch-sensitive panels that control lighting, media, and security. Adjacent to the bedroom is a spacious spa-style bathroom, complete with a rainfall shower, heated flooring, and a mirror-integrated touchscreen for news, weather, and entertainment. Underneath all this luxury lies the engineering brilliance expected from Bugatti. Powered by a hybrid V12 engine system coupled with advanced electric motors, the motorhome delivers over 1,500 horsepower, enabling it to accelerate with a performance profile closer to a supercar than a traditional RV. Its adaptive suspension system ensures smooth rides over any terrain, while self-leveling technology stabilizes the living quarters even when parked on uneven surfaces. It comes equipped with Level 4 autonomous driving capabilities, allowing hands-free cruising with full AI navigation, real-time traffic adaptation, and predictive route optimization. Connectivity is a major focus in the 2026 Bugatti Volkswagen Motorhome. A satellite internet system, 5G integration, and a centralized smart home control app allow users to manage every aspect of the motorhome remotely. From setting lighting scenes and checking water levels to pre-warming the bedroom before arrival, every detail has been considered. The onboard solar array and regenerative braking system ensure that energy consumption is efficient and sustainable, while backup battery storage enables off-grid living for extended periods. The Bugatti Volkswagen Motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it is a lifestyle revolution. Designed for elite travelers, tech visionaries, and design enthusiasts, it represents the ultimate merger of comfort, mobility, and automotive excellence. As luxury continues to evolve beyond traditional boundaries, this motorhome stands as a symbol of what happens when two giants of design and engineering come together to create something truly extraordinary.